In this video, I'm going to share some tips when you guys purchase the hair, especially the color hair. Because some clients told me that it's very hard to change the color from the dark color to the light color. So please remember this. Color 1, color 2, color 4, color 6. This number we call it dark color. It's very hard to achieve color 22, color 613, color 24, color 60. And this is called the light color. So you open your color chart or your color wheel, you will see some colors are very dark, some colors are very light. So from the dark color, it's very hard. It's very, very hard to achieve to the light color. Vice versa. And from the light color, it's easy to change to the dark color. Please remember this very important tip. So in the future, when you purchase the color hair, you know which hair you want to purchase. And let me tell you why. Normally we use a natural black color. For example, if you ask us to make the color 2 or color 4, firstly we use this natural black color. This is the natural black color, and we will put some colors inside the hair. So that means the foundation of the hyperpigmentation is very strong inside the hair. So after we make the hair, the natural black color hair, to this dark color, the hyperpigmentation inside the foundation is very strong. So you need to take this foundation out before you want to change to this light color. So it's very, very important. Otherwise, you will come to tell me that, hey, Hyman, this color hair is very hard to achieve the light color because the foundation of this hyperpigmentation is very strong. So it takes so much time, and it's very hard to take this foundation out. So please, very important, remember this. But we always use the natural black color virgin hair, to do the colors. And the quality is very good, no problem. And this hair can use very long time. The only problem is you need to tell your colorists, you need to tell your workers to pay attention to this color. The dark color is very, very hard to achieve to the light color. Always remember this. But once you want to change the light color to the dark color, it's very easy because the foundation inside the hair, inside the light color hair is very light, so it's very easy to put the colors inside the hair. So I have been practicing a lot for the past year. This year I'm practicing the colors with some colorists and some hair salon owners, and I've been teaching them a lot about this one. So it's very important because I noticed that I've been talking to a lot of salons and still some of them don't know how to which way to change the color. It's very important. So I hope you guys can understand this video. Thank you very much.